Hi guys, a very warm welcome to everyone on my channel. I thought of doing an easy glam look with a very soft half cut crease today. So let's begin. I'm going to use my modern Renaissance palette and I'm using the matte neutral shade to warm up my crease with a blending brush. Next, I take a pointer brush and picking up the burgundy shade from the palette, I place it on the outer corner of my eye. Using a shader brush, I take the pinkish red color and blend it in, mostly focusing this color on the outer V of my eye. Now time to cut the crease. For that, I will use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and map out the inner half of my eye. I will blend it with a brush so there are no harsh lines. Now taking this lovely champagne gold shade, I will pack it on my eyelid on top of the concealer. I'll make sure that I cover the whole area with this shade. Now time to blend it with the burgundy we used earlier. Next, I highlighted my brow bone and inner corner with the shimmery ivory color from the same palette. Now let's move on to the face. For now, I will use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on the usual areas of my face where I highlight under my eyes, around the mouth, my nose and forehead. Blend, blend, blend with a damp sponge, and just when you think you're done, blend some more. Set it all with any powder of your choice. Here I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Matte HD one. Time to add some color back to my face, and I'll be using my Holy Grail HOOLA bronzer. I will use it along the parameters of my face. It is just going to give some warmth back to my face. And for blush today, I'm using the MILANI Tea Rose. It's a gorgeous muted pink which matches any skin tone and any look. So now let's quickly finish off the eyes. I will use the same burgundy shade I used on the outer half on the lower lash line. I'll curl my lashes and dive into my favorite part, which is the mascara. Now, once I'm done with coating my top and bottom lashes, I'll move on to the lipstick. And today I've picked my trusty Anastasia KATHRYN. It's a lovely warm berry tone which is going to flatter all skin tones. No look is complete without a banging highlight, and I will use the Benefit one in the usual areas of my face, and voila, we are done. Hope you enjoyed it and are going to recreate it. Please do leave a comment below on how you like this look, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.